Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with a scrapbook haul. This is a kit club that I'm part of and it's a local scrapbooking store. It's called the nicknook.ca, and so every month we get a collection. So this month the collection is 49 and Market, and I am in love. I love this. Normally, I don't like distress stuff, but what I like with this is one side is super distress, and then the other side is more like a more solid color. So, and the paper is super thick. And it's a brand new collection because it says 2021. I've never seen it before. Not that I'm out there looking, but so this one here, it has some blues, some pinks, some greens, and then a very neutral color. Love that. Love that little branding strip. This one here, again, super busy. Probably not something I would use, but love that. Love, love, love that side. This is the only one, I think, that I will use this side. I love the other side, don't get me wrong. It's probably my favorite, but it's the only one that I want to use that side. So I probably won't use the other side. And then this one here again, it's a little busy for me, but ooh, love that. And then there's this, which is cut aparts. And again, a beautiful background. So this is going to be a harder decision. I wish we would have gotten two of those, one that we could cut apart and one that we could use that. So I might order with my next collection, I might order one sheet, and so I'll have both. And then we got some Basil Cardstock. We kind of got like a vanilla, a white, and a blue, and it's kind of sheen color on it. Now for the embellishments, there's this from, again, 49 and Market, the Epoxy Coated Sticker Embellishments. I love that. Then there's rub-on transfers. There's 6 sheets, and I love the little tool that's in there, but look at those, and I'm going to make it my mission to use those ASAP, because you know, if rub-ons, if you don't use them right away, they kind of dry out. So I got to make sure that I use them. I'm going to make some page kits with this fairly quickly, and I'm going to be using the rub-ons for sure. And then this one here is some chipboard stickers. I love all of these. Love them. And then these are washi tape. So you have a full pattern sheet of washi tape, which I think you need to cut them out, which is fine. And then look at this. This is a whole sticker or washi tape. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So there's that. And then the last thing, I've already taken it out of the package because I was just doing a live with my patrons and I kind of showed them the collection. So I went through everything. So this is some ephemera bits, and there's 70 pieces. So we'll go through them because it was fun to kind of see everything. So there's a bunch of little tickets, and then there's some banners. There's a bunch of frames, and I love these banners. This one says, "Enjoy the journey." There's lots of geotags. Do not enter. There's tons of labels. There's some that are blank, some that have words on them. There's postal cards. Love that. More labels, more little tickets, words, happy trails. Then there's these. So you can make little signs. I like that. Go and see the world. Banners, more frames. Are we there yet? More geotags, some suitcases. On our way. Look at all these frames. I'm loving the frames. There's all kinds of frames. Let's take them out all at the same time. Then there's all kinds of banners. Ooh, there's circle with words on them. There's some more of these. The world is waiting. We are explorers. More of these. I love this. Go everywhere. Happy place. Destination. There's tickets, labels, all kinds of stuff. One way, do not enter, the best adventure. More frames, more labels. So all kinds of stuff. I am looking forward to using this. Embrace the detours. Favorite place, travel adventure, get up and go. So all kinds of different embellishments that you can not lose. I know exactly a page that I can do that. And then there's these. I think I'm going to use those as like layering pieces. But I'm loving those too. Okay, so that's it. That is the scrapbooking supplies or scrapbook haul that I got this month, and I didn't buy anything extra. Last month and this month, I didn't buy anything extra. So this is it. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. If you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.